to show the import service feature, which is work in progress. I'm not sure quite if it's going to fully work. So the idea of this is that if you see a GitHub repository that maybe you want to get in your AI workshop, either GitHub or Docker Hub, you paste it in, and then as long as it's got a Docker Compose in there, it will scan the repository, look for any services or containers. This is my Notion MCP server. So go to configuration. So here you can select what capabilities it's providing. So let's say with Notion, it's going to be making, let's make projects and tasks, for example. And it needs transcription and let's say memory, for example. So it detects whether it's an MCP server or not, but you can, if the auto detection doesn't work, you can just add that in. Supports SSC and HTTP streaming, endpoint ports, whether it's authenticated or not. This is the header, because essentially what it's going to do is going to take the existing Docker Compose and it's going to format it into the uShadow format, which has like all of the environment variables in the right place and format. So this is the environment variables it has detected in either m.template or m.example. And so you can't turn them on or off yet, but I did want to make it so you could remove things if you didn't want them. Import service. And so that will actually, if you don't have the repository or and it doesn't have an image in the Docker Compose, it will actually clone it to your host repo. So that is there. So then you choose where you want to deploy it. I'm going to put it in local Docker. And this should then come up with my mapping value. So I need my Notion API key, which I already have. Select it there and deploy. Deployment successful. In theory, refresh. This is not finished yet, but I just kind of wanted to see show the approach. It's not there. Has it arrived in NCP Hub? Register. Not working yet. But essentially, you should be able to add MCP server and sources. They show up on this dashboard, and then these get ingested and synced into the memory and available from the chatbot.